Hey everyone, welcome to the first semi-monthly report of BuildShift. But before proceeding further, let's get a brief overview of what BuildShift is. So what is BuildShift? BuildShift is a modern product and innovation studio. We are a team of builders and marketers working together to ship licensed B2B softwares, our own SaaS products, and continuously exploring new deep tech experiments. Our goal is to build scalable software while learning with every new project. Moving on to slide 2. At BuildShift, we stand on 4 strong pillars. B2B SaaS solutions. We custom build, license, and maintain scalable software for businesses. Second, SaaS products. We create original SaaS tools that solves automation, productivities, and user problems. Third, R&D and learning. We prioritize learning and innovation to stay ahead of the curve. Fourth and not the least, community and talent. We believe in open collaboration, mentorship, and building a culture that nurtures talent. So how is BuildShift different from others? BuildShift is not your typical dev agency or startup. We combine the fast-paced execution of an agency with the product depth of a startup studio. What makes us unique is our builder-first, outcome-driven approach. Whether it's delivering client projects or innovating on our own ideas, we prioritize quality and vision. And what is our business model? Our business model is hybrid. We generate revenue through B2B services, software licensing, and SaaS sales. What sets us apart is that we reinvest in our R&D and internal products and ideas. This creates a loop: build for clients, fund innovation, launch products, and repeat. The ultimate goal of BuildShift, our long-term vision, is to become a respected name in the product and innovation space. A studio that not only builds impactful tools, but also empowers businesses and developers. We want to be known for scaling companies and creating thriving community of top-notch builders. So let me walk you through our progress, our semi-monthly report. So these are the projects that we were working on from the last 2 weeks. On the B2B sector, it's interview AI management system. We would walk through with the demos of these platform later on. The second is placement portal scheduling. On the SaaS sector, we have VC client mail automation, DB2 Excel, test forecast, filter out. On the article and research, we have a startup and cloud cost comparison and a B2B research on software companies. We also made some open source and mini projects. One was voice isolation, videos to shorts, and a thumbnail writer. On the skill development section, we have a microservices SIG projects that we would work probably from the next month. So here's a detailed overview of each of the project. So one of our exciting B2B projects is the interview AI management system. This tool helps parse resumes intelligently using AI and allows admins to screen candidates efficiently. From the admin dashboard, you can invite selected candidates directly and even detect inconsistencies between what's written in the resume and actual skills by scheduling and creating an interview. This would save recruiters a ton of time. The AI parsing feature is a personal favorite of mine. For large number of resumes, we also support asynchronous processing so that the admins don't have to wait on the screen. Next is a placement portal designed specifically for college placement units. Instead of maintaining complex Excel sheet, this system automates scheduling based on student preferences and company availability. VC client mail automation system. We initially tested it using N8N workflow and achieved great results. However, on integrating N8N workflow with our own frontend and backend, we faced some challenges. So we are aiming to ship a stable version by the end of this month. DB2 Excel is an NLP to database interface tool. While many other tools convert natural languages to SQL, we are going one step further, executing read-only queries directly on database and exporting results in Excel-friendly formats. We paused work on due to some other priorities, but plan is to resume it soon. Test forecast. This tool is tailored for our students. You upload a PDF and it generates quizzes or MCQs based on the content. It is a great self-assessment tool, perfect when you don't have someone to quiz you. Our GTM team will be pushing this one soon. Filter Out started as a project an year back to filter YouTube feeds by specific channels. While the idea was promising, scaling it was tough due to YouTube's data API limitation. We are planning a complete rethink and to explore if there is a better, more scalable approach. On the blog and article sides, we have also documented a detailed cloud comparison article choosing between AWS, GCP or other platforms. It is always tricky. This Google Doc compares different cloud providers, backend services, email providers, front-end hosting, and more. It is open for suggestions and we update it whenever required. For us, now it's usually GCP, Cloud Run, Supabase, and Vercel. We researched on how B2B software companies, both mid and small scale, operate. Many of them onboard clients through focused workshops. For instance, if they cater to CAs, they run training sessions to CA colleges. Understanding their history and business models helped shape our own B2B strategy. And now coming to open source, voice isolation. We built an open source voice isolation tool using Google Colab's notebook and an AI model, a free alternative to 11 Labs and other platforms. Since offering this as SaaS would have cost us as these commercial platforms, we chose to open source it for anyone to use on Google CPUs. By the way, I also run a YouTube channel focused on startup, tech, podcast, and business. While looking for a free tool to convert long form videos into short ones, I couldn't find a good one. Most of them were paid and had their own limitations. So we made one. It's a terminal based AI editor that slices podcasts into shareable short clips. The next one is a thumbnail rater. It helps us understand what kind of thumbnails actually drive engagement by comparing high performing videos with their channel subscriber ratio. On the skill development side, we are planning a focused skill building initiative on microservices architecture starting in about a month. So that was a quick overview of what we were working so far. Can't wait to share more progress soon.